Hey, what's up guys, this is everybody from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞. In today's video, I will show you guys how to use split screen in your iPhone. I know you guys were waiting for this feature to come in iPhone, but sadly, we don't have it yet. So to use split screen, we will download an app from App Store and you can use YouTube and Instagram simultaneously. So before we go further, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon, so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. Now first let me show you guys how this app works and how easy it is. So here is the app interface. It's very simple and easy to use. As it's a free app, you will get ads in between, but if you want, you can remove it by buying its subscription pack. You will get this 2-screen window which you can resize it. So on first screen, let's Google something, and if you wanna buy something or look at Amazon, you don't need to close app and go to Amazon app. Instead of it, in second window, just tap on Amazon and start shopping. It's very helpful. Also, if you want to share any link, just tap in arrow over here, and from here just select the top or bottom section and you're good to go. Here we also have bookmark and history tab also. And at last we have setting over here. You can remove ads in 3 bucks, but I won't recommend that. It's totally your decision. And also you can share this app with your friends if you like it. And here you can clear the app cache also. Overall, I would say this app is good, but I have just realized that there is no back option. So you need to restart the app for that. So that's kind of a pain. But other than that, it's good, I would say. So that's all about this app. The name of the app is Split Screen. It's free and available in App Store. Also, I will mention the link in the description. No need of switching between 2 apps now. Let me know what do you think about this app in the comment box. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Now, I will see you on the next one. Peace.